By now you've heard that the real estate market is slowing down, so let's talk about what that means, the factors involved, and what's actually happening between buyers and sellers. Increases in interest rates and economic recessions rarely lead to decreases in real estate prices. In 4 of the last 6 recessions dating back to 1980, we saw housing prices increase. Mortgage rates have actually been trending slightly downward for the last few weeks, and interest rates tend to decrease over time during economic recessions. What recessions and increases in interest rates do affect is the amount of homes sold. So in other words, the market slows down and there are less buyers in the market. With the market shrinking, we typically see time on market increase for sellers, and we're able to negotiate more for buyers. Inventory is still low, with about 750 homes for sale in the Lansing area in all price ranges, falling well within the realm of a seller's market. For reference, we would see about 1,300 homes for sale at any point to be in a balanced market in the Lansing area. Multiple offers are still occurring with homes that are priced correctly for their condition, location, and features. Homes that might have had 4 or 5 offers in the spring might now only have 1 or 2. Sellers are starting to have to get a little tighter on their pricing relative to where the market is heading. With less buyers in the market, sellers might find it difficult to get buyers to bite when they're priced at the high end of market value. So in summary, here's what's happening now. Lansing and the surrounding areas has seen about a 17% decrease year to date in the amount of homes sold in comparison to this time last year. Sellers were receiving 103.4% of their asking price in July of 2021 and received 102.3% of their asking price in July of 2022. A 1.1% decrease. Sellers are still receiving close to or sometimes above asking price. Buyers are starting to see mortgage rates decline, and there's less competition for housing. We might be heading to a unique time where it's both advantageous to buy and sell. So begging the question, will prices decline in the next 6 to 12 months? Most likely not, because at the end of the day, it boils down to the supply of housing, which we still lack tremendously compared to the demand. And as it stands now, if prices do decrease, we feel it will be very minor in the 1 to 3% range. So check out zachpeck.com for the latest listings updated every 15 minutes.